Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat stuck on updating messages. If you're using Snapchat and your Snapchat has been stuck on updating messages, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check that you have a strong Wi-Fi or internet connection, because sometimes it might be that your internet connection can be weak, so you might get these type errors. So you have to scroll down your quick settings, and here you will get the Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. You just have to enable, and you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make you refresh into the network settings, and once you have done, you have to check if your problem is solved or not, or you have to check for if you have any connected VPN. Open settings, go for general, then go for VPN and device management, and here you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, you have to try to disconnect with that. And once you have disconnected, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, so now what you have to do, you have to make a force restart your phone. So sometimes it might be that your phone might get stuck on any issue, so it will fix that. You have to make a force restart. Quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's turned it on. And once your phone has been turned on, it will almost fix your issue. And in this way, you can easily fix if your Snapchat has been stuck on updating messages. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.